Hey guys, how's it going? This is JSer. In this video, I'm going to solve another problem from BFE.dev. It's 149, interpolation. Have you ever added internationalization support to your projects, like this library? For example, generated keys and translations are kept separately, like this JSON. This is the key, this is the translation. There will be some braces here as interpolation locations. Places where this key is used, we can then interpolate the string by passing the data object. So yeah, we call this key here. The second argument is the data object with the evaluation here. So BFE.dev, it's fantastic. Now, please create a similar T function which accepts the translation directly. It supports the braces as delimiters. Let's make it a clearer and a simpler. When a new pair is met, characters until the following, these closing braces are treated as a property name. For all the other cases, they should not be treated as delimiters. Like this one, there are three braces, opening braces here, left braces here. So here should be treated as a start, right? And then we search for the closing braces. There's none, so this is not a delimiter, so this is a normal string. Even though we pass the evaluation here, the string is kept the same. This one, this is the delimiter, and then we search the next pair of closing braces here. So the key should be, I think, should be this one, right? And actually, this key is in the data object, so the fantastic will be placed here. The last one is the closing braces. It's not the delimiter, so it's just be displayed. Okay, this one, BFE is evaluation. I'm sorry. Evaluation. There's a space within it, and actually, this should also be treated as a key. BFE.dev is fantastic. So the idea is simple. It's already written here. When we first meet a pair of opening braces, we would keep all the characters behind them as possible the property name, right? And when we find the closing pair, and we would get the data out from the data passed in. And then if we don't find any closing braces, then we would give it up, right? We just treat it as normal strings. Okay. If no data is passed or no property exists, just leave it empty. And we expect the evaluation property in the data passed in, but there's no data at all. So when this function is called, we just return BFE.dev is empty. Well, okay, let's begin. So I think it's not that difficult when the rule is clear here. We just keep a flag, right? Whether current position is within the possible property name or not. Like here, we don't meet any opening braces, right? So we just this will be put in the final result. When we meet one, we keep a flag saying, okay, from now on, we would collect all the strings in a separate place, and when we meet closing braces, we would use the previous data as a property name and get the data, and then we would leave this one empty, right? And start it over again. Yeah, we just keep a flag. It's okay, I think. Okay. So let's keep a flag. Let's say create a flag. Say is possible property. We use a flag here. Is property name, and then we would keep track of the property name, right? Should we use the index or use the string? If we cache this index, I just make it simple. I just use a string. Let property name let result Okay, we just traverse through. Do we need the index? Yeah, we need the index. Okay, we traverse through all the characters. Let I equals 0 smaller than translation dot length plus plus, and if is possible property name. If in the mode, we would check what if ending pair is found, end it. So if translation I and the next one is also the right brace. Yeah, and if that's the case, we would get this is a property name, right? And so we get the data from the data here. So if the data is passed in, okay, I would say is data and the data and the property name in data, and we just append the result. So it was just data property name. If not, it should be kept empty, so we do nothing here, right? When it is end, we set the flag back to say false, and we continue, right? No, continue. Okay, wait a minute. So it's not, and I should go to the. We should move the pointer to the character after the second brace. So we +1 here. For the other case, say we don't meet the ending braces, we would add the character to the property name. We would do the same for the other cases. When the is possible property name is true, is false. If the opening braces are met. Okay, I copy the code here. So it should be the left brace. Okay, if it is, we set the flag to true and move I to the next one, right? And then yeah, we do nothing. And then if it is not met, we just add to the result, which should be the translation I. Okay, and then when this is done, I think the result. Result plus. What's the problem? Never read. It is just here actually. Okay. 0. Yeah, I is okay. Okay, we return the result. Okay. Yeah, and then when the traversal is done, there might be property name left, right? For property name left. So if after all this traversal and the flag is still on, and then we just add the result, the property name to the result, right? It should be treated not as a delimiter but just a normal string. We plus it with the left braces plus the property name. Okay, I think I forgot to reset the property name to empty. I think so. Let's try run the code. Run this one. BF is. It seems not okay. Actually, for a normal case, is okay. Wait a minute. Is ooh, +1. Yeah. Oh yeah, looks great. What about this one? Looks good. Let's submit. Oh, I need to remove it. Oh, okay, it's passed. Cool. It's not difficult, and but it's interesting, I think. I posted it in the discussion panel. Wow, I'm the first one to do this. Okay, hope it helps. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will bring more videos on this channel, okay? Hope it helps. See you next time. Bye-bye.